Managing leads and clients can quickly become messy if you don't have a clear system. That's where GoHighLevel's pipeline system comes in. And it's designed to simplify the way you track your opportunities and follow up with leads and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Today we are going to break down how this feature works and why it can make a huge difference for your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check the link for the free trial and the special deal on GoHighLevel. By using the free trial offer on the official website, you will get the 14 days free trial, but after using the link in the description, you can get the extended 30 days free trial. So for the free trial, use the link in the description. So let's talk about the pipeline at first. So for pipeline, you can think of it like a visual map of your sales process. Every lead moves through the different stages from initial contact to follow up and finally to closing the deal. Instead of trying to remember who you need to call or email, the pipeline shows you exactly where each lead is and what action are needed to next. One of the biggest advantages is the visual clarity. You can see all your opportunities at a glance and leads are organized in column and you can drag them from one stage to another as they progress. Now this makes it simpler to track your progress and prioritize the lead that need the attention most. Another great feature is the automation with the pipeline. GoHighLevel allow you to set up automatic follow-up, reminders and even email or SMS message triggered by lead movement. For example, when a lead moves from interested to negotiation, the system can automatically send a personalized message or schedule a task for you to call. This reduces manual work and ensures no lead is ignored. The platform also helps with the team management. If you have multiple salespeople or staff members, each person can have their own pipeline view. This makes collaboration easier because everyone knows which leads they are responsible for and what actions to take next. It keeps your team organized and accountable without constant supervision. Of course, like any system, there is a learning curve at first. With so many features, it might take a little time to get used to moving leads, setting up automation and understanding the best way to structure your pipeline. But once you get it hang of it, it's like having a full-time assistant keeping track of all your leads for you. So in summary, GoHighLevel pipeline management makes lead tracking simple, organized and efficient. It helps you to prioritize, automate follow-up and collaborate with your team members. Whether you are a solo entrepreneur or managing a growing business, this feature can save time and increase chances of closing more deals. So if you want to try GoHighLevel, then check the description link for the 30 days extended free trial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.